Cook with me as I share how to air fry scallops. They're so delicious. Air fried scallops come out tender. They're not like browned like you'd expect from cooking them on the oven, but it's a really more healthy way to make scallops. But at the end, I'm going to smother on some butter sauce. So we're going to counterbalance that as well. So the first thing that you do is you season them with just some salt and pepper. You preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You pop them in there with some cooking spray on the bottom and the top. They air fry for about 5 minutes. I check the temperature, but they're definitely not going to be done then. Then you flip them over and you put the air fryer basket back in and air fry them until they're done to 120 degrees Fahrenheit as measured with an internal read thermometer. Now all the sauce ingredients go in here. You have a bunch of tasty things that you'd expect in a classic sauce. So you're going to use some butter, garlic, capers, white wine, lemon wedges, and at the end it's all going to be topped with some parsley. Making this on the stove, the butter sauce only takes a couple of minutes, and during that time you can finish cooking the scallops in the air fryer. So just assemble your plate, put them on something beautiful, a nice little plate, pile them on, then you pour on that delicious butter caper sauce on top. Scallops and butter sauce are just a classic combination. Well, you can get all the full step-by-step direction and extra tips for this recipe at Sip Bite Go. And until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers! Yum! Doesn't that look good? Bye!